Following on from their victory, we wanted to challenge our current world champions on a circuit a little closer to home. As you know, our current winners are the Glasgow Academy. So, welcome to Glasgow. So, the circuit you'll be racing at today is the Glasgow International Street Circuit, a track with 31 tricky features designed to test your mathematical skills to the max. We're here at Lexus Scotland, who've loaned us a fleet of Lexus LCs for you to race in today. And I'm going to jump in this one right now and take you on a tour of some of the features of this circuit. In George Square, which as you can see has been reopened to the traffic following this morning's race. Students here were doing a sequence of short straights and tight bends as they weaved their way through the city centre. This morning came across the bridge here, did a right down this road and into a special feature chicane further down. The calculations resulted in a long straight followed by a medium bend going into a special feature, but the calculations were extremely close, so we're really interested to see who got them right. At the Riverside Museum, Glasgow's Transport Museum. This was features 17, 18 and 19 on this morning's circuit plan, coming along the famous River Clyde. We had a medium straight going into a long bend followed by a tight bend, which was some pretty difficult calculations. I wonder if you got them right. In Kelvin Grove Park. This is where the circuit really starts to twist and turn, and students are almost home by this point. Features 27 to 29 are within the park, and they come in on a tight bend, followed by a special feature, followed by another 2 tight bends, and then leave the park on a medium straight. The features were incredibly close together on this part of the circuit. I'm stood on the medium straight that takes our cars out of Kelvin Grove Park and down through Park Circus. There's just one more feature, a long bend to navigate before our cars are on the start-finish straight.